Tonight to support three very worthy causes: the Lebanon VA Medical Center, the Harrisburg Humane Society, and the Central Pennsylvania Food Bank. And in fact, the wreath that I'm making will go to veterans through the Veterans Medical Center in Lebanon. And we actually, some other folks have made bows that we will adorn this wreath with. And it's really wonderful because we're so appreciative of General Motors because they have lent us the use of a vehicle, a Chevy Equinox, to support all these donations to the food bank and the Humane Society, these beautiful wreaths and many other decorations. And without their support, it would have been a little bit difficult tomorrow to transport everything. So we're like incredibly thankful to them, and we wish everyone a Merry Christmas.